up, kings and queens? I am Divine. Thank you so much for your time, and I'm so grateful that you would have a line. Welcome or welcome back to the monarchy. Okay, so we're gonna hop right in. This is another dream. Okay, so this one is gonna be called Invasion of Privacy. They will try to use your own words against you. Okay, so you will be victorious in court, vindicated. So what happened in this dream was I was going to court, and right, and we know that this could be physical, right? You can listen to this literally, but also let's use your spiritual ears, right? Of course, all the time. Right? But there is a spiritual court too. We know that, right? From the book of Job, right? When the devil went to the spiritual court in heaven to approach God about testing Job, right? So I was in court, right? I was going to court, and in court, they had text messages from my phone, right? But it's like they had to get those messages, they had to get those messages in like an unscrupulous way, like in a not legal way. Like, you know what I mean? Like, you can't get somebody's text messages from their phone unless you have their phone. And if you don't have their phone, and like they didn't have my phone, right? And if you don't have their phone, you had to hack into their phone, or with the iPhone, you have if you have the thing where the person's messages get sent to you, right? It was something like that, right? It was something that wasn't above board, was the reason why they were able to have access to my text messages, right? Somehow, right? So they were trying to use those text messages against me in court, right? And their whole case was predicated upon one person lying, right? But that person didn't lie, right? So that person came into the court. It was my cousin Kaylin, and I bring up her name a lot in my dreams, because God uses her, because her name means crown of laurels, right? Which the crown of laurels is, I've explained this multiple times, but if you haven't seen any of my other videos, then you wouldn't know. But crown of laurels is the crown that they would wear when they won, and in biblical days, in old days, when they won a military victory. So her name represents victory. That's how God communicates to me in my dreams, that there's some type of victory happening, right? So there's some type of vindication that's going to be happening, because Kayla came to court, right? And she told the truth, right? And I was like really, really grateful in the dream, because she could have lied, right? In the dream, I understood the energy of the dreamer. I understood that she could have lied, and it would have benefited her to lie. And it did not benefit her to tell the truth, but it would have benefited her, right, to lie too, if she wanted to. And so the other side was hoping that, she was going to come to court and lie, but she didn't lie, right? So this could be literal, right? You could literally be going through some type of court situation, some type of justice situation, or this is in the spirit realm, okay, where there is some information that was illegally obtained, and we know what that looks like, right? Psychics, tarot readers, right? God's gonna have me get into that. I'm an ex-tarot reader, right? Before I rededicated my life to Christ, so God's gonna have me break down a lot of the stuff in terms of new age and witchcraft and all that stuff, and what that looks like in your life, and how you know that that's what's happening to you, right? But also Holy Spirit was saying that that beware about your phone, right? Look and make sure that that you don't have any weird apps, you don't have anything where somebody's spying on your phone, or they're not tapped into your text messages or something like that, something weird like that, right? Because that something like that is going on, but you will be vindicated, okay? You will be victorious in court, right? Whether that be spiritual court or physical court, or whatever type of situation where somebody is lying on you or something's not true. Because when Kayla came and told the truth, it approved that that I was telling the truth. It proved that I was right, and that I wasn't in the wrong for whatever it is they were trying to accuse me for. And then also something about a pink outfit or a pink sweatsuit was significant. So that might mean something for somebody, okay? That was highlighted in the dream as well. But yeah, mostly your phone, okay? God really was highlighting your phone, something about your phone and your text messages and having access to your text messages or your emails or something like that, or just your words, right? Because like I said, the title that Holy Spirit gave me was they will try to use your own words against you. Again, it's not going to work, but just something to look out for, okay? So I hope this helps. I hope this heals. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the bell button if you want to know when I post more, and I'll be back. Deuces.